So starting from Tuesday evening, we'll have a cold weather system coming in from the Atlantic as a low pressure wave channels up from Cornwall through England.
Weatherman.
I think that's quite good.
Yeah, it's good. Really change your career. Hey guys.
I've got the looks. And the voice.
I've got the brain.
It's a combination.
I've got the job. Right, today we talk about Nano Tape. I bought this for £1 from China. Well, what they claim is too good to be true, but I'm just going to test it. You can stick anything to the wall, for example, hang anything, and even for the tables, the moves, for example, the carpet on the floor, we stick two surfaces together, even rough surface. And we just want to put in test, see if it works, if it's true or not. Some of them claim that they can even hold very heavy. Do you want to hold this? Don't try, okay? So let's see what it's, okay, it's transparent, as you can see, double-sided, it's washable, reusable, so we can test that as well. Start with a small piece of...
How do you normally start your physics lessons?
It's all flopping all the time. So all you have to do is just stick it to the wall. Do you want to bring the camera closer? So, okay, so here we stick it. And all you have to do after, just having the weight on there and me. Can I be off tomorrow? Alright, so I forgot to remove this part. So, right here, remove this, and then let me do it this way so I can add weight to it. Just one. Okay, just give it a good push. Wow, 1 kg stuck to the wall. Okay, let's see if I can add more weight to it. Do you want to do it in case if it falls?
Yeah, okay. How are you sticking this to?
Yeah, in the top. Just place in the top.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay.
Just place it there. Okay, ready? Please drop it on your feet. 1, so 2 kg. Yes.
I'm nervous now.
Don't worry, you got the look. 3. How many more do you think we take? That's so cool. Yeah, really? Wow. 4 kg, small piece. I'm sure we can add more. Do you want to pull it down?
Something.
Do you want to pull it down with your hand and say, go and put your feet on there in case we don't want to damage it. Go on. No? That's amazing. Ooh. Hit my feet again.
That I was pushing quite hard by that point.
Okay, so we can test it to see what this is the plan. We're gonna stick those 4 weights on the wall and see if we can stand on it and we hold our weight. Yeah, that's a good idea. Look at I'm gonna wash. Yeah, I'm gonna wash this now. See if it works or not. It says washable, water resistant. So let's try it. Right, guys. This one is washed. They say it's best to blow dry it. So with a hair dryer.
It's always best to blow dry.
Yeah, it's best to use a hair dryer to dry it. Okay, I just put it on top of the radiator. Let's see if it works. So do you want to try it, please? See if it works for a second time.
It is covered. There is some.
Oh, it's from the paint from the
impurity.
Paint
from the weight.
Yeah, paint from the weight.
Well, that must.
Mass is 1 kg. It's not weight. Physics. Right. Do you want to put some force on it? Say, pull it down. See if it's as strong as before. Watch your feet. Oh, almost.
Definitely not as strong as the other one.
But it still works.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 4 of them on the wall. Just gonna attach the mast to it, see if we can stand on it or we hold our weight or not. I have used this one to hang my Persian silk rug. Typical Persian. I'm not that rich to have it on the floor, so I do have a small one hanging on the wall.
The idea of
Well,
it.
anyway, it's an art.
It's a reference.
It's an artwork, isn't it? It's an artwork.
Yeah.
So my colleague is Mr. Phillips. Is preparing that for me. I don't know if I should trust him or not. I'm going to do the stunt.
Would you do sky jumping, skydiving?
Oh yeah, not with you.
No.
Even tandem, not with you.
Yeah. You wouldn't let me pack your parachute.
No way. I'm going to either break the wall and lose my job, or break my leg and lose my job again. Right, ready?
Yep.
I'm not sure about this. That's the one you did. I knew I shouldn't trust you. Okay, anyway.
That is not gonna hold.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. That one failed. Don't film this part. So, conclusion? Would you buy that?
Conclusion is you're obviously eating too much.
I think we are same weight.
But mine's all muscle.
That was all Luke. It's muscle. Wishful thinking.
Would I buy this? Yeah, I would buy that.
A pound, for a pound.
For a quid.
Yeah. Yeah.
But then you have to think about the environment.
But you know what? It works actually. Oh, shut up. I'm afraid. Sorry. I personally think you can have this at home. Stick anything you want in the world. Could be keyring, could be in the kitchen, kitchen utensils, anything to be honest, without using a nail or screw. So look at here. So imagine, I can even, whoever has done this, hanging the ammeter to the wall. Look at here.
This is a world first.
World first ever. Ammeter on the wall. Ta-da!
Now that is a work of art. More than a silk rug.
That is.
It
How
says so
dare
much.
you. Yeah.
It's not registering any electricity then.
Yeah. So it works, and you can remove it. Oh no, it shouldn't come off altogether. And put it back again. Cool. Right. I hope you enjoyed it. All right. See you guys. Bye.